but don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I keep paid. Bad hoe wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, a little bit, we get paid.
Hey y'all, what it is, what's up, what's popping, what's crack-a-lacking, whatever. Yeah, today I'm gonna be filming a eyebrow tutorial because y'all been asking for this and I've been said I was gonna do it, but I never got to it. But today I'm gonna get to it. Okay, I got y'all today. I got y'all. So I
don't know if y'all gonna be seeing my vlog first or this one first, but whichever one I post first, whatever. Yes, I filmed in the same day, so don't be trying to be like,
She got the same.
cut it, sis. Cut it.
So these are the things you'll need. First, you'll need an eyebrow razor. This is optional. A spoolie. Any angled brush. NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Expresso. And the LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And your beauty blender. So first you're gonna ignore me. Okay, so first you're gonna start cleaning up your brows. Like I said, this step is optional. If you go get your eyebrows done, then you probably want to do this, but I never ever in my life got my eyebrows done, so I just do this.
Try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game.
And like I said, this step is optional, but again, I don't get my eyebrows done, never have, so I have to do this. I just clean up a little bit. Like, it's nothing professional. I'm not a professional. I just like slightly clean it up. So yeah. Then I just take a makeup remover wipe and I just wipe my eyebrows. And then I pick up some product. The reason I like to wipe my eyebrows first is because I feel like the product applies smoother and easier when your brows are freshly wiped. I don't know how to explain it. It has to be like, I don't know. And as you can see, I started at the top line, but you don't have to start like this. I just got used to doing it this way. Most people start from the bottom and then the top, and then they like fill in the middle. But it doesn't matter which way you go. It's just whatever works best for you. This is just the way that I do it. Okay, so now I just start doing small strokes, and as you can see, I turn my brush upwards to give it like the hair effect, as if hair was growing in right there, but it's really not. It's just makeup, you know. And then I kind of just like blend it in a little bit, and I'll take my spoolie and brush the hairs. And then do the same on the other eyebrow, same way, same. Okay, so when you start getting Okay, y'all, so after this clip, my camera ended up dying. I'm sorry, but basically all I did was just go back in and blend in my concealer, which is really easy. You just take in your beauty blender, if that's what you're using, and you just dab it. Do not rub, but dab. The key. And it's very important to get a concealer that's as close as possible to your skin complexion, because as you can see right here, how I blended it up, whenever I go back in my beauty blender, it's going to blend in flawlessly. Like, see right here, I don't even have no foundation, but it looks like it's my skin. It blends in with my skin. So that's why, you know, get it as close as possible to your skin complexion.
Okay, that's how I achieve these fleeky brows. So, you know, get with it or get lost. You know what I'm saying? Okay, bye.